And we've seen some extreme hitting, but that has been the biggest by far from Ryan Ten-Doeschate. He has absolutely moosed that out of the park. There we go. Very honest.
Get him in the team for Saturday.
Motors. And we've
Oh, that's out of the ground. That's gone. It's downtown. It's on my car. It is. I think it hit my car. Don't believe it. Ah, the downside of getting a park so close. Oh, no.
Did you pay insurance?
No, it's a rental. Oh. Another report. Not the first one, I suppose. Usually it's the same colour. It's around about the same place. I know I parked it there about 5 hours ago. Oh, Jessies, please. I don't think I was that.
And that is a big hit. That is the biggest six of the day. And what a way to finish the over.
Biggest six of the tournament, probably the biggest six of the year. That has come straight off the middle. Didn't worry about the stands, went straight out of the ground. That's gone many a mile. I wonder if we'll ever get that ball back. We'll have to come back with a bus ticket on it.
What a hit. And that has hit the windscreen. Just found the white cricket ball in the front seat.
Just giving himself a little bit of room for the arc, and that has come dead set off the middle. It's almost like a golfer's follow through. Didn't move.
Made millions out of that shot. Literally made millions of dollars over wide mid-wicket off the front foot. That's his go-to at this stage. Crunch.
Oh, right out of the lower middle too. Added to the leverage of the shot.
Sixes this ground has ever seen, probably the greatest.
I think this sail and this stand had just been built, and he put it over the stand. I think it went through the gap in the sail or bounced off it into the net area out the back. And Carl Rackham and his daughter were walking in, nearly got hit.
Nearly wore the kookaburra.
But what about the sound off the back?
Oh, there's some great